I want you to ask yourself these questions because it helps shift your brain in a direction of solution orientation. It helps you think about easy, fun, uncomplicated, low stress, path of least resistance money. This is available to all of us at all points in time, and this is how wealthy people think. So I want you to be setting yourself up for an NFA money mindset where you are going, ooh, what are all the fun, easy ways that I get to make money doing what I love? What is the path of least resistance to make money doing what I love? How can I uncomplicate my life, make it simple and flowing, and attract more money my way? And I want you to brainstorm these things, because the more you do this, the more that you're liberating yourself from the belief that money is hard to make, from the belief that money causes stress, from the belief that it's bad to have easy money. This is an interesting one, money block wise. People will talk about how if they didn't earn it, it feels bad. Like somehow if they didn't work hard for it, they're not deserving of it, right? And this is a mix of all the blocks, because they think they have to work hard. There's a sense of scarcity, like you're not like if you have money, other people don't have enough money. And then also money is bad because if you have too much of it and you didn't work hard for it, then you're somehow a bad person, or you're not worthy of it, or you're not responsible. And I want you to drop all of those money blocks, because it will cause you to repel money away from you and overcomplicate the situation. And I want you to have buckets of money rolling in an easy, fun way that has you feeling free and getting to do what you love every single day. So again, if you haven't taken the Money Blocks profile, go to www.moneyblocksprofile.com. Take it now. People are absolutely loving it. I'm getting some really cool results from it, seeing and learning what's going on for you, talking to people on our Moneymaker meetings, helping you unblock and get to the money-making process faster. You all know that's what I absolutely love to do.